Let's get to that final trade of the day with Joel Hawthorne, the founder of the Morning Snapshot, a pro trader who's been with us since season 1. Joel, love to get your best trade, worst trade, and next trade.
Well, first and foremost, congratulations on a new season, season 8. That longevity should be celebrated. I would like to start with my worst trade. I think the worst trade for me is always the ones that are easy to remember. And one in particular was one in Etsy. This is one that I did see some downward pressure coming in and some selling pressure coming in Etsy. But to be completely honest, the options were not very liquid. And so for me, trying to be a bear in some of those illiquid options really cost me because the spread was just too wide. And I really had trouble really recognizing that when I did buy those put options. What that has really taught me in the short term is ultimately is just be patient, do my due diligence. And at that time, I was a newer trader. So I think ultimately, there was just really understanding to kind of see the whole field before pulling the trigger, if you would.
What about your best trade?
My best trade. Well, my best trade was actually in Facebook before they changed their name to Meta. This is a trade that I was really able to capitalize on a spike in vol and also a bit of a rally in the name, if you would, by collecting some premium, really catching a breakout there in the short term, probably on a Thursday, options expiring that Friday. So this was an overnight trade where I was really able to get maybe 2 or 3 to 1 in a matter of, I would say, not even less than overnight. And that was definitely some major momentum for me. This was a full-size position for me, so I was able to enjoy my weekend that week.
So what's your next trade, Joel?
I think right now, just with so much uncertainty in the market, I'm sticking to a lot of short-term options. I'll be playing the indexes. I'll be looking at SPX. I'll be looking a lot at SPY in the ETF SPY, and also just looking to really pay a lot of attention to the gamma influx. Definitely looking to see, I think in the short term, some intraday moves there using those ETFs and indexes to capitalize on a lot of the knee-jerk reaction that we see in the market. That's really what my attention is right now.
Joel, thank you. And we look forward to having you on our show for season 8.
Thanks for having me, Angie. I'm looking forward to it as well.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.